Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through today a 2022 GS22 from Nautique. So we'll take a look at the outside first. We've got our nice haze gray up on the top and down here in the bottom. And then right down here in the middle, we got the steel blue metal flake. So in the sun, this really sparkles. I'm sure you can see it right now as well. And then we did the white, or the bright chromax on the outside. As we come to the back here, got the nice swim platform back in here with the nice sea deck. You've got the NSS, so Nautique surf system back in here. You got the surf pipe, NCRS. This is a great boat. Got seats in the back if you're just hanging out with the family. Let's go on the interior and take a look at a bunch of the other features. All right, welcome to the interior of the boat. As you can see with all our Nautiques, we've got a nice walkway here with all the sea deck up and down. This one did come with the pop-up ski pylon, so you can just pop that up. Good ski boat as well. Back in here, I want to show you, we've got the extra ballast, or pro ballast they like to call it. So on each side, you got some extra ballast. The engine that is with this boat is the ZR4, 400 horsepower with 400 foot-pounds of torque. We come in, we got the nice wraparound seating. You've got a seat that does pop up, and you can put it all the way down, have seating all the way around. This does have a filler cushion right in here as well. Up on the tower, I want to point out we did add this at the 8.8 JL drivers. You've got down lighting on both sides. Real nice sound that goes all the way out. We've got the new Bimini system. Easy to unclip these on both sides, and then the Bimini, when you're putting the tower down, the tower now, brand new this year, will go backwards, so back towards the transom of the boat and give you room for driving the boat. As you can see on the interior, I did turn on the lighting package, the cup holders, and it's set on a color cycle, so it's going to actually cycle through all the different colors in the color wheel. We have JL speakers throughout the boat. Here in the cockpit there's 4, and then 2 more in the bow of the boat, along with the speakers up on the tower. Coming to the helm, we've got our 12.4 inch link pan array system that is here to control every part of the boat, all the way from seeing your engine diagnostics to adjusting your surf and your wakeboarding and your skiing. So really ergonomical. Got a nice seat here as well. We've got storage underneath this seat. And then as we come to the bow, the GS22 does open up very nicely. And this one we did add the piece that goes right in here, and then you can shut the window and don't have the wind coming through. So the air dam is a really nice option to add. This GS22 is in stock here in our Rogers location, so if you'd like to take a look at it, give us a call. We'll set up an appointment, or just stop on in. We can take a look at this boat. Right now is a great time to order boats, so give us a call, like I said, and we'd love to see you down here. Thanks.